Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel, where we serve up the juiciest tips and tricks for a vibrant and energetic life. Today, we're diving into the world of foods that can drain your energy. Get ready, because we've got 6 surprising culprits that might be leaving you feeling tired and sluggish. Let's get cooking. We all love a good meal, but do you know which foods can zap your energy? Stick around because we're about to reveal the 6 foods that could be leaving you feeling exhausted. Let's jump right in. Number 1, fast food frenzy. We all know fast food can be tempting, but those greasy burgers and fries can weigh you down and leave you feeling lethargic. High in unhealthy fats, sodium, and low-quality ingredients, fast food can sap your energy. Opt for homemade, nutrient-rich meals to fuel your body with sustainable energy. Number 2, sugary sweets. Indulging in that candy bar might give you an instant sugar rush, but beware of the energy crash that follows. Sugar-filled treats can cause a spike in blood sugar levels, followed by a rapid drop, leaving you feeling fatigued. Satisfy your sweet tooth with healthier alternatives like fresh fruits or dark chocolate. Number 3, carbonated beverages. That fizzy soda might provide a momentary pick-me-up, but the crash that follows can drain your energy. Sodas are loaded with sugar, caffeine, and artificial additives that can disrupt your energy levels and leave you feeling depleted. Swap those sodas for refreshing alternatives like infused water or herbal tea. Number 4, processed snacks galore. Those bags of chips and packaged snacks might be convenient, but their lack of nutrients can leave you feeling tired. Processed snacks are often high in unhealthy fats, refined carbohydrates, and additives that provide a temporary energy boost but lead to a crash. Choose whole, unprocessed snacks like nuts, seeds, or fresh veggies for sustained energy. Number 5, refined grains. That fluffy white bread might taste delicious, but it can cause a quick spike in blood sugar levels, followed by a dip in energy. Refined grains lack essential nutrients and fiber, leaving you feeling lethargic. Opt for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or whole wheat bread for a steady release of energy. Number 6, alcohol overload. While a drink or two may seem relaxing, excessive alcohol consumption can disrupt your sleep and drain your energy. Alcohol acts as a depressant and can interfere with your sleep quality, leaving you feeling fatigued the next day. Enjoy alcohol in moderation and prioritize restful sleep for optimal energy levels. And there you have it, folks, 6 surprising foods that might be zapping your energy. Remember, nourishing your body with wholesome, nutrient-dense foods is key to feeling energized. Stay vibrant, stay active. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who need an energy boost. Until next time, happy and energized eating.